Super excited to open this box for you guys today. I am opening it upside down. So if the packaging is funny, that's why. I'm doing that because our addresses are on the other side and it was easier to open it upside down than it is to open it right side up. So let's see what happens. This is a couple of Bibles that I bought. I got a really good deal from a good friend of mine that we've met and chatted through social media, just this channel and Instagram. His name is Bibleogen. Well, that's not his name. That's his handle. So I'm super excited to get this. Thank you so much. I'm excited to review these for you guys. And I couldn't wait. So we're going to open them up and unbox them here for you to take a look at what's inside. Ooh, the packaging is actually super good. So we have CSB. I wish I would have had one of these like 3 weeks ago. And I'm super excited to get it. And the reason is I read through the Bible every year. I start in January, and I thought I'm going to read through it in the CSB this year. It takes me about 2.5 weeks. And I read through the CSB Study Bible, and man, the more I read the CSB, the more I really loved it. And you guys are all posting your videos of CSBs, and I was just a little bit sad that I didn't have just a straight up reference Bible. I do now, and we're gonna do the review on this. This is really just a quick look. Oh, it's even goat skin. Dude, I'm super excited. All right, so we will do full reviews on these, but this is exactly what I was looking for. And even 2 ribbons. Way to go. Way to go, Holman. All right, let's put this to the side and see what else is in here. Because I know there's another Bible. All right, we got a New King James Deluxe personal size. I've been using the New King James at church because my pastor preaches out of the New King James. For those of you guys that follow me, this is a really nice Bible too, man. Wow. All right, so we'll take a look at it. And full reviews coming up soon. This is a personal size, large print reference. It says black leather soft. This is the softest. This is honestly the softest leather soft Bible that I've ever felt. This is super nice. All right, let's put it away. There's one more thing in here that I'm super excited, and he included it as a gift, and I can't tell you how thankful I am. So a copy of the Valley of Vision. For whatever reason, I just don't have one of these. And you guys all post your pictures, and I've read a few of the prayers that are in here just via the internet and whatnot, and people posting them, and they're really super good. Everybody gets a whole lot about, or a whole lot from their Valley of Vision. So I'm super excited. This is quite a gift, my friend. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. There will be full reviews of, at the very least, these Bibles, probably of the Valley of Vision too, but I'm going to start tearing into these things and using them because here on this channel, we are committed to challenging and encouraging you to be the Christian you claim to be. And we do that by going through Scripture and reviewing solid resources to make your solid resources and tools to make your day-to-day better and more Christ-focused. So the resources that we review, the Bibles that we review here, are reviewed for a purpose, and I hope you guys get a lot out of them. Stay tuned in the next couple of weeks, and we will go through these couple of Bibles for you. Don't forget, be who you claim to be. Hey, if you like this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can see the full review on these texts coming real super soon. And if you feel so inclined, I will include a link to my PayPal to help this ministry keep going down in the description. Have a great day.